Alright, people. All who follow me know me there Phoenix. From last time, I have that energy, you know. And I say, yo, anytime I have them vibe, yeah, either something big happen. Saying whether you want to put good at, yeah, but me just feel a vibe, yeah. I always feel a vibe, yeah. And then, me there Phoenix now, when I got you my email, I see a video coming, like a email coming. I go expose you, or I need $3 million now, before the new year kick in. So $3 million, expose me. So I laugh. When I click on the video. Yo, woman, it's not easy, you know. It's not easy. When I click on the video, it's a girl I used to chat to, record, like she have a camera in her room and she record it, dog. So, and apparently, I don't know what happened now. She wants $3 million. But me not paying a $3 million. So I make sure I do that video before them put it out, because them say them will put it out. And me have piece of the video too. When me I go put out. I know for now about me, I say, yo, how you say I rasta, I got chip. No, I jet long time. Footer. Wait. All of the website them, but yo, I know not gonna beat me bad. Because I always speak certain things. But if you understand, the more time a man talk certain things, he not necessarily do it, you know? So, I know. I have a $3 million, and I guess 2020 is a year where something where we have hidden I come out. So, I guess it's my time. So, all of the people them out there, I make sure I tell you now, say, this is going to happen, and I go put out piece of the video like maybe half an hour. I just want everybody share this so everybody see it. Saying, girl I do something in the video, and me I do something. Saying, I know after this, good have to go turn off my page or because I know I'm not going to say already. But before I make them get it off and them rare, I just rare. I could have lied about the video, you know. Because some of the angle them not really clear in it. But I not tell no lie. Because once I tell lie, it will go even worse. See? Yeah, I'm doing the video. And me I do the things them. And she I do the things them. So I know the repercussions. Anyway, I share the video. And you don't know. Some are rolling my new year, so some have to roll it in. Because, as I say, I don't have no $3 million to begin a body. See? And then exploit me. I can't own anything when I do. I can't own it. Only thing I got here is some. Suck your mother. Batty boy, I got chip, jet, red. So, anyway. Pick up on yourself. Bless.